Welcome to Parens
of
the
Undead
Dead
28
episode.
Yes. Last time we added some intention classes.
Yeah, we need to now figure out how do these come to the client.
Yes.
Yeah, and that's the actionizer.
It's the actionizer.
Puts stuff in the client. So that means that we need the intention classes to reach the client. That means we need an event that contains those pieces of information.
Yeah. So zombies plan their moves.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, they sure did.
They are very well known for planning stuff. I will avoid writing that again and just do this. So zombies plan their moves, and what moves are those, you might ask?
Yeah.
Zombie number 0.
Yeah.
Has
just a vector of stuff.
Yep.
Punch.
Punch and punch.
Yeah.
Yes, excellent. And this will end up looking like zombies, zombie 0, and intention classes.
Mm-hmm.
Punch.
Yeah.
Is that a bit funny? Punch.
Punch.
Is it a funny thing to say?
A little bit funny.
Yeah.
But that was straightforward.
Yeah.
And then I'll go in here. I'm gonna copy this thing.
Mm-hmm. And finally, we reached the end
of the alphabet.
Yes.
The known universe of letters.
Yes.
In the English language. Oops. And then we go plan zombie. Yeah, actually I have to. Yeah.
Plan zombie turns, something like that. Moves maybe. Yeah, there's no game.
There's no game.
Yeah, the actionizer doesn't even know about
there.
The game.
There is only Zool. Am I right?
Yes, that's right. Are you, in fact, a god?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah.
Ray, when someone asks you if you're a god, you say yes!
So I need the ID and the intentions, I think.
Yeah, that's right.
From the opts.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And I need to produce.
Basically not ops then, but yeah.
Yeah. That was just.
Mm-hmm.
But I didn't know what to call it.
Yeah, that's right. You can copy the stuff that's on the left.
Yeah. Thank you. My brain just froze. What to do?
And then just
intentions. And that's it.
So let's call it something other than opts. Because what is it? It is ID to intentions.
Zombie plants.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah.
I like it.
Okay, and then we need to have something that causes this event to exist in the world. And that happens in response to a command, right?
Yes.
So in the game test, there should be some command that causes this to happen.
The very first time it happens is when we initialize the game.
Yeah. So initialize filter events. Okay.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, perfect. Let's just add a new one in here.
Is that all? Okay.
Test it. Terrible. Terrible settings.
It reminds me of a community episode where it says, "Congrats, horrible."
That's very good. Is something like that. Perform command, and then game and initialize 666. Of course. It's the game of the devil, and then we do filter events, and then there should be a zombies planned their moves. Wonderful name.
Mm-hmm. So there's a zombie 0. We know that because it's the first zombie of the game, I think.
Just gonna do this for sets the seed.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So luckily, that's not my problem to solve.
It's one of the perks of this type of pair programming.
Yeah.
If you desperately don't want to solve a problem, just write a test for it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see.
So how can that happen? So
Yeah, let's take a look at it. Initialize.
Yeah.
It just runs get initial events, and
Yeah.
these are sort of hard coded. And I will.
At this point, you don't even have a game.
I don't even have a game, so I'm just going to do.
You probably need a game.
Yeah, if I'm going to implement it correctly.
I see.
When do they plan their moves? It feels like it should be after you started the round. Sort of before. So once they plan their moves, you start the round. Yeah. So this is about all I'm going to do because we have the first of the zombies up here. That's very nice. It's zombie number 1 even.
Yeah. I think that actually the zombies plan their moves after the round starts. It's like the round starts, zombies plan, you attack, they attack.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Let's see. This is
Otherwise, they will.
Yeah, it has to be like this, and it's zombie 0. That's wrong because it's zombie 1.
Mm-hmm.
So now I will do.
Change it from 0 to 1.
That was what I was hoping not to do. I was trying to use this change of ID to something sort of because it is actually punch in the first round.
Mm-hmm.
Unless, it will actually be punch. It's just a bit weird because the round you have to decrease the round number. Then I'm sorry, I'm thinking out loud.
Mm-hmm.
I'll stop doing that.
Then the podcast will be very boring.
Okay, so there's something here because if I'm going to plan my moves, I'm going to need access to the actual game.
Yeah. So we're gonna need to. This is not part of the Genet initial events.
Yes,
that's
I agree.
my.
I think maybe both of these are gone.
Yeah.
This
So
is
actually, these are the initial events. Then we need to build a game from that,
Mm-hmm.
and then we can start the round.
Yes, I agree.
Yeah, and that will also put start round after set seed, which is where I want it.
That's excellent.
That makes me very happy.
That's great. So, okay, here's the initial events.
Yeah. You need a function called initialize game.
Yes, exactly. Initialize game.
Yeah.
And it takes the seed.
Yeah. Perfect.
And it calls get initial events for sure. And I will put those in the let. Here's some events.
Mm-hmm.
And
then we have a function called update game.
Update game. It's a reduction over update game and
right. Yeah.
empty map and the events.
Ooh, very nice.
So now we have a game.
Now we have a game.
And now we can call initialize game here with the seed.
Mm-hmm.
And I will do.
And then you can call start round because we're gonna need to start the round every time the round ends, right?
I will do.
You don't want to get the initial events over. You already have them.
Yeah, that's right. So it's the events.
Events.
Just like this, and now this is start round.
Mm-hmm.
Start round.
And just pass in the game.
Yeah, excellent.
And maybe the round number to start. Or
it should have the round number already, I think. Get
Yeah.
initial events. Set. No, it doesn't set the round number because that's
you
the
extracted
job.
it. Yeah, that's the job of the start round.
That's the job of start round.
So maybe it's okay that start round will say that it's round 1 if there is no round in the game.
Yes, agreed.
Yeah, because it's going to have to increment it.
It does already say so here. It doesn't.
Yeah.
I'm talking with fingers in my mouth again. I'm not sure what's going on with my head.
Okay, let me suggest something.
Yeah, go on.
It's this function's job to figure out which round it is.
Yeah.
So round number will be game like this.
Mm-hmm. Agreed. Very good.
So wow, 2 arguments past the ink. So I
Slurp. Slurp it up.
so yeah.
It doesn't work because it's zombie 1.
Yeah.
Just you can change it to zombie 1 now. That's okay.
So that works.
Yeah.
But then we need to loop over the zombies.
Yes.
So we're gonna need another concat, split, and then here for
Let's make a functional. let's just make a function right away.
What's it called? It's
Zombie planning meeting.
Run zombie planning meeting.
Yeah, it's
plan zombies.
no,
No.
it's
So hard to come up with verbs. God damn it.
meet for zombie.
Whatever.
Yes, that's good.
It's not good, but it is what it is.
Yeah.
And then we need to do zombies game. So that will get me both the ID and the zombie, I guess.
Yeah.
Or we can just do vals.
Yeah.
And then the zombies plan their moves.
Yeah,
Oh.
just do the ID. Zombies. Oh yeah, so you have to do
I
an
have to
into.
do it this way.
Mm-hmm.
And I
Yeah.
took away the part that specified what I was creating. It's here. So, okay. So it's going to be the ID of the zombie.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm going to get in, I think, zombie.
Mm-hmm.
What does it look like? Where is their behavior?
It's in the initial events. So
It's here. So
there you go.
behavior actions.
Yeah.
So
Ignoring the strategy for now.
behavior actions and then
0.
I can't do that. I have to.
You can just do the first one. Oh, you don't implement stuff. Just
No,
do
okay,
0.
okay.
Yeah, just do 0.
0
And you have to do into a map.
into map.
Yeah, excellent placement.
Thank you for noticing. There we go. Perfect. I'm happy with this.
Yes, then
Yeah.
you write the next test.
Yeah, okay. I'm terrible at this stuff. Plans.
Oh wow, that's just initialized. You don't really have.
Yeah.
You don't have access to the second round because we did it there.
So. Is it
there
here?
we go.
Is
Yeah.
it here?
It must be here.
Yeah.
It's the finished turn. Yeah.
So should we add to
Yeah.
this one or
No.
no? Okay, I have a great name for this.
Mhm.
Replants the zombies.
Yes. That's a great.
Great name, I agree. So it has round number. I want it to be round number 1, so it can turn into round number 2,
Mm-hmm.
and then I need zombies.
Yeah, just copy the zombie from the actual game.
Yeah, where is it?
There you go.
Is it this one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So it says zombie 0.
There's 1.
Thank you. Like this?
Yeah.
And then finish turn, blah, blah, blah. Zombies plan their moves.
Mm-hmm.
And that should give me a zombie plan their moves. What does it look like?
It's a key value. Key and the.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Zombie 1.
Mhm.
And then it should be punches.
Yeah.
Punch.
Yes, agreed.
Oh, wow.
Oh wow.
Yep.
There's something. Oh yeah, because wow, this is a bigger. We're not calling start round.
No.
In the finish turn. This is
Right,
very nice. We're getting. This is a very nice refactoring, I think,
Mm-hmm.
because start round is now out of here.
Out of here.
Oops, what did I do? I'm sorry.
You scrolled Emacs a little bit.
Yeah, exactly what I was hoping for.
And that scrolling is has no side effects on the file or the buffer. Yeah,
That's true. So start around. I just took it away because
yeah, it's gonna get.
gonna get better. But we have a lot of events here.
Yeah, but don't.
We do
one thing at a time. One thing.
one
at a
thing.
time. Oh, because okay.
Yeah, but we don't. We still haven't. Yeah, we can do it. We can just
Later.
start round.
We can't do everything in one episode.
That's true. We can do everything in one go. So we'll just pass in the old game.
Yeah.
For now, and people can go, oh, this is going to fail. So, and I agree, it will.
Yeah.
So you get punch is punch, and that's because of the zombie planning meeting. They're not good at planning stuff.
But then, yeah, because they're not actually planning.
Yeah, and here's the fun part. This one is responsible for the round number, and he hasn't said it yet. So I actually don't pass it in. I will actually do that. I will pass it in.
Yeah, that's okay.
So we have a round number, and I will do deck on the round number, and I can already see another test. Unmatched bracket or quote. Wow. Great.
How did you manage?
I'm not sure how that works. So this works, and then I do deck round number. Yeah. Woohoo! So
and now, yeah,
we will change this. I'm not entirely. I will change this round number 3.
yeah, that's gonna. Yeah, thank you. So this is going to be. I can do mod count. Oh no!
You'll have to introduce a lot.
Yeah,
and you have to do it inside the for.
Wow, this is very painful. Okay, actions is no.
Zombie getting the zombie behavior actions.
Behavior or begin actions, and then this is
but you
awful.
now can use nth instead of getting zombie.
Oh right, yeah. Nth.
Good luck. Good luck knowing the order. It's the right one. Right.
Is it like this? Divide by 0.
Wow. That's about it. Why did that work?
I don't know.
My initial thought is this was the problem. Yeah. Yes.
I did it the wrong way around.
The wrong way around.
But did I though?
Yeah.
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 And I think we're going to have to leave it here. We're not done, but we're way over time.
We are. Does it not work? Could it possibly work? No. Zombie Spawner moves in update game.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So that will be the exciting cliffhanger for the next episode.
Yeah. Ending this episode on a stacked race feels very correct.
Enjoy.
See you next time.